Hello everyone. Let us now discuss LeetCode POTD question on 18 December 2024. Question number 1475. Find prices with a special discount in a shop. So in this question we are given with the array prices where we will be having at index I the price of this ith item will be prices of I. Now, for this prices of I, we can make or we can take the next indices which is lesser than or equal to it should be started from here, and this price should be, if you take in j is greater than I and prices of j is less than or is equal to prices of I. That means if by iterating j, if you got prices of j is less than or is equal to prices of I, then we will be applying prices of j discount to prices of I. So this is the explanation for the question. Let us go with the example given in the question. So prices are given are 8, 4, 6, 2, 3. Now here for this, what is the next element after this index? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After this index, what is the next element which is less than or equal to 8? Now it will be 4. If you iterate from here, it will be 4. As 4 is less than or equal to 8, we will be applying discount of 4 to 8. Now 8 minus 4 will be 4. Now come to here, I is here. Now iterate from j is here. Now 6 is not less than or equal to 4. Now iterate, go to the next element. Here it is j. Now 2 is less than or is equal to 4. Now it is less than or equal to 4. Now we will be applying the discount. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2. And 6. We got 6 here. And now j will be pointing from here to here. Now if you start from here, 2 is less than or is equal to 6. So 6 minus 2 will give us 4. After that, I will be coming to here. After 2, there is no element which is less than or equal to 2. So it will be, there will be no discount applied for this. For 2, it will be 2 only. For 3, there is no element after 3. So for 3, it will be 3 only. So our returning prices will be 4 to 4 to 3. So let us take another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the prices, and if you take this index I, there is no element less than or equal to 1. So for this, it will be 1. And for 2, it will be 2 only. And for 3, there is no element which is less than or is equal to 3 after this index. So it will be same. And same for the 4 and also 5. This will be the returning price. So if you see clearly, we can use a brute force approach here by taking inner loop. So we'll be iterating through prices from I is equal to 0 to n, and j is equal to I plus 1 to n. And if, as I said, if nums of j is less than or is equal to nums of I, then we'll be removing nums of j from nums of I. And if you got a minimum element or lesser than or equal to nums of I element by iterating, then we will be breaking the loop. Then you don't need to go for the next elements. So after that we will be returning, or sorry, so here are the prices prices so we will be returning the prices. So this is how you approach this problem. If you like the video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel, and you will be getting the code in a few seconds. Thank you.